Now, this Thursday is the annual Vinnies CEO Sleepout, where right around Australia, the top end of town spends a cold night outside raising funds to break the cycle of homelessness. I caught up with one willing business chief, CEO of Pegasus Adam Boyle from Newcastle. Adam Boyle, nice to catch you in Newcastle. Now, this is your 10th CEO Sleepout, and it's a little different, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. This year we're sleeping from home. I've been doing the sleep out now since 2011, and over that time, the sleep outs raised more than $60 million for the homelessness through Vinnies. You know, obviously that's a great number, but it's never enough.
Yeah. So, I mean, you originally took up the challenge 10 years ago. What was your thinking behind it as a CEO?
Yeah, I think at the time I was quite naive to the whole homelessness situation in Australia. I think over time, you know, knowing now that there's more than 116,000 people who are homeless in Australia, and you know, it's still a very complex problem that nobody has been able to solve. You know, the money that we raise obviously goes a long way towards helping solve that problem.
Yeah, tell us a bit about your own business up in Newcastle, because it's had quite an extraordinary growth in its history, particularly this year.
Yeah, that's right. So this year we were funded by a Silicon Valley investor. We're a software company out of Newcastle that mostly focuses on workforce safety, and we've got a number of blue chip clients here that work with us in a sort of a network of about 3 million workers across Australia.
Yeah, and you've got some pretty big clients, don't you?
Yeah, that's right. Anywhere from, say, BHP in mining to, you know, to Woolworths in retail, and you know, Lendlease in construction, to Vinnies in manufacturing. So yeah, we definitely have some big clients, and we respect that, you know, that they've been able to place their trust in a business from Newcastle.
Right. Now, going back to this lick of money, I think it was 28 million you got from American venture capitalists, Axel KKR. Now, that's a very big US firm. What were they looking for in supporting you?
Yeah, sure. They were looking for us to both grow our business both domestically and globally, and their fund is very much around their strategy is very much around helping us develop our own business, and that'll happen through, you know, growth in both domestically, but also globally through the US, the UK, and Europe. And so, you know, the strategy is that we'll develop our own staff, and we'll attract some new talent, and we'll develop new products that'll enable us to do that. During the pandemic,
has that changed what your clients are looking to you for?
I guess we're one of the lucky ones in that you know, a lot of our clients are solely focused around the essential services. You know, clients like mining and construction, whilst they probably didn't do as much new work as what they had previously done, they still had an active workforce, and because of that, they relied on companies like ours to be able to both communicate to them, but also to manage them on a daily basis.
Yeah. And Adam, have you checked out the temperature on Thursday night? How are you going to go?
Yeah, it always tends to be a lot colder on CEO Sleepout night for some reason. I think I'll be in a sleeping bag on the back veranda this year. Maybe I might have a little more to eat than the soup that we normally get at a CEO Sleepout, but it'll still be a very good experience, and hopefully my kids might be able to join in as well. They're excited.
Well, I wish you all the best, and well done for being a part of it. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah, thanks very much.